Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm trying out this new Markartt Polygel that I got from Amazon. I will make sure that I leave the link in the description box, but I was really excited because y'all all know I love polygel. That's my first love. So I was like, let me come back to polygel. It's been a while. I've been on the acrylic train. But anyways, guys, I went ahead with the sanding bit. I think it's a fine bit. And I just cleaned up around my cuticles and just roughed my nails up very gently. I had my E-file on the lowest speed. And then I came through and I removed all of that extra dead skin off. Now, you don't have to do this. But if you don't want your nails to lift, I would recommend you making sure you clean up those cuticles. So then I dehydrated my nails. And then I came through with a base gel and I cured for 30 seconds. So today I wanted to use nail forms because initially I was going to do just an overlay, but as I got to working on my nails, they just weren't long enough for me. So I was like, oh, I'll just make it a little longer. Well, then after I did my first nail, guys, I went a little longer and a little longer. So, hey, don't judge me. I couldn't figure out what shape I wanted, what length, but just watch my technique and let me know what you think. Now, I did want to let you guys know I did cure my nails in between each nail because I'm clumsy, so I didn't want to make any messes and have to go back. So I went ahead and cured my nails. After I did this second nail, I knew for sure I wanted my nails longer. So off camera, I went back and redid that middle finger and made it even longer. So sometimes I will go ahead and sculpt out the nail and then remove the form. Like I'll sculpt the nail, cure it, then take off the form, and then add a second bead to build up my actual nail and my apex. I mostly do this when I'm working with my non-dominant hand because it just gives me a little bit more control because it's my non-dominant hand. So that's just a tip. Like if it's easier for you when you're doing the forms, because I used to hate forms, but now I love them. If you just sculpt out your nail real thin, carefully remove it, and then come in with a second bead, it'll work just fine. These nails did take 90 seconds to cure, so after giving them a full cure, I wiped them off with some alcohol to remove that sticky layer, and this is optional. I only use my drill because I'm super lazy. You can use a regular hand file. Polygel is super soft, but I just use my sanding bit just to clean up around my cuticles and make it flush. And I wanted matte nails, so today I finished off with a matte top coat. I'll put that in the description box. And then I applied my Parker J's Magic Mane oil to the cuticles, and that is it. So let me know what you think of this set. Thank y'all so much for watching. See you guys on my next video.